Hi there, this morning we're talking about breakfast and we try to find some really easy solutions to help ease the stress in the morning. So first up, the picky eater, mini breakfast frittatas. It's really an easy way of actually using up leftovers in your fridge. You can put out whatever you want. I've got some mushrooms, tomatoes, cheese, a little bit of chicken, and really all you need is a few eggs and some milk and you're good to go. Also, I'm going to put these in the oven. I'll call you when they're ready. Please go brush your teeth. Actually getting kids a little bit involved in their food really goes a long way in getting them to eat their food. Next up, the sleepyhead. These are for the kids that really struggle to get going in the morning. The best thing about Bircher muesli is it can all be made the night before, put in the fridge, and then it's super easy to serve up in the morning and you can just top it with whatever fruit or nuts or seeds that you want to top it with. Okay, for the third challenge, my backup plan is banana muffins. It's ideal for when you're in a really big rush or need to get your kids to school super early. If I have time, I try and make these on the weekend. Just pop them in the freezer, they defrost really well, you just take them out the night before.